Hello angels and welcome to today's video. That's right, it's time for another Football Friday. Time to select another NFL team and do a makeup look inspired by those colors. So if you want to know what team is chosen or what look I come up with, keep on watching. Seen one of the videos, the original ones, we started out with 32 teams and now we are at 17. Several have been chosen. I've come up with lots of different looks. I've changed up some of them and some of them did not come out as planned, but that's okay. We're gonna move on from there. Go home, we'll choose a number from 1 to 17. I will draw from these cards and that is what I have to work with for today. I'm up. Hey Google, please choose a number from 1 to 17.
Coming right up. 13.
Right, just drop them. All right, 13. 1, 2, 3, 12, 13. The New York Giants. I know whose favorite team this one is. And the colors are royal blue, red with an alternate color of white. Red, white, and blue. That's what I'm working with today. Well, I'm going to look up the colors, team logo, get some inspiration, and I will be right back. Alright, angels. I had felt a little inspired. I was looking at images of New York Giants and they have like this whole red, white, and blue kind of theme to them, very American. But I have these decals. They're actually nail decals and stencils, but they don't stick really well on my nails, so I've been trying to use them in other ways, and you can see there's some little stars in here. I wish there was like an NY. Let me see. Letters, maybe? Oh! I found letters. Alright, I'm gonna keep searching. Give it a minute and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm kind of tickled pink that I actually pulled this off a little bit, but I've been playing with like these stencils, and so I got it to do an N and a V using these stencils right here, and I think I can maybe freehand the bottom and make it look like a Y. I don't really have a good white eyeliner. That's what I've been looking for the longest time, and I don't find a nice creamy one that I like. I might have to run out to the drugstore. That's just bottom line. What I might have to do. I gotta take a trip to the store. Not even kidding. Walking distance, so it's not a big deal. Alright, I will do that and I will be right back. So I basically took a little lunch break. I went down to my local CVS, which, as I've told you, is walking distance from my house, which gets me in a lot of trouble when it comes to makeup. And I picked up some eyeliners. And not just any eyeliners. 2 blue and a white. I already opened the white one and checked it out to make sure that this is what I wanted. This is the Infallible paint in White Party, number 310. And much to my surprise, it is a felt tip, which is exactly what I was looking for. Look at that clean white line. Okay, so this is gonna work out perfectly for what I have planned. I'm gonna go ahead and get my lids prepped and primed, get you guys zoomed in, and we'll get to applying some makeup. I have a couple of different ideas of what I'm gonna do, and I hope. This is kind of where I get myself into trouble. I get all these crazy ideas with these beautiful bright colors, and then I screw it up. I'm just gonna start off with the one eye. If it doesn't come out like I like, wipe it away and start over again. But I prime my lid with the Smashbox lid primer, and it's a white base, so it should give me a good start, because I'm going to go in to the Loreal Party Animal palette And I'm going to be using this blue right here. I'm going to do the red on the lid using the Box of Crayons palette, because let's be honest here, that is a really good red. Using a little carroty F31 brush. And I'm going right into the blue. The blue's name is Karaoke. I'll start off with the light hand at first and then see how she blends. Got a lot of kickback in the pan, but it's actually going on the eye pretty well. You can see that. That's pretty good. Just going to continue to blend that, starting off softly in the crease area and then blending up. Just make it look like a little blue fade. So I ain't mad at you, party animal. Now I'm just going to take the red on just the inner corner, and then I'm going to blend a darker blue on the outer corner. And I'm going to do that using a little Luxie brush. It's a Luxie 239 precision shader brush. And just going straight into that red color, because this base that I have on, colors stick to it really good. That it's a white primer, so it allows really vibrant colors to come through. All I'm doing is just using a patting motion with that and trying to keep it separate from the blue. Patting with your finger. You've seen me do this before. So I'm gonna go back to the carroty real quick and just blend that blue out a little bit. In the Box of Crayons, the blue is called Blue. I think it would be pretty on the outer edge. Just pat a little bit on there to give those colors some dimension. And a little bit of shimmer. Yeah, that's pretty. It's going to pat more of the red in the middle and really make that red intense. So I'm going to start by placing the N. So I have the N on there, and I'm just, it's a stencil, so I'm just kind of white eyeliner, I'm just going to fill in that N. Right, and it's completely filled in. This is a really good eyeliner. If you see some of these, I recommend picking some up, the Infallible paints. I'm gonna peel it off and see if it looks like an N. There we go. It does, it looks like a little N. You see that? God, it's so cute. Okay, I'm going to take the V, because the Y comes all the way down underneath the N. Placement. Go ahead and fill in the V. Go ahead and take the V off. Oh my God, I think I did it. Shut your face! This is the part where I'm gonna have to freehand it a little bit. Just gonna go underneath the N. And there we have it. I'm gonna go ahead and get the other eye caught up, and I will be right back. Alright, angels, we are back. I have both eyes complete. I just need to do a little cleanup underneath, apparently, because that blue and that red just do its own thing, and that's fine. So what I'm gonna do now is zoom you out, complete the rest of my face makeup, and I'll be right back. bit of practice to go on because it is such a tiny tip. But it's a fantastic blue in the waterline. I approve. Angel approved. Use it. So I'm going to go in with that red from the Box of Crayons and get me a small precise brush. This is actually a brush that came with my After Dark palette. So starting at the outer edge and just kind of almost patting it. And using the larger side of the brush, blend it out just a little bit so it doesn't look like a jolted red line there. Go ahead and do the white wing, and this could be very well where everything goes south. But I'm gonna start with the outer edge. Wow. Okay, that's not bad. I'm gonna find a nice red lipstick, finish up my lashes, and I will be back with the completed look. All right, angels, this is the completed look. I finished up with a little NYX lip color. The name is Slip Tease, and the color is Red Queen. And I think it matches well with the red that I have on my eyes. Mascara is the Better Than Sex Mascara by Too Faced and Wanderer's Unlashed Mascara. I layered the two of those to make the lashes really over the top. If you haven't figured it out already, Lori, this video is dedicated to you. You're the best thing that's ever happened to me, and I love you so much. And I can't wait to see you. Although, by the time you see this video, I'll be in your house. That's freaking funny. That's so funny. The timing couldn't have been better. Well, angels, if you've watched this far, I thank you so much. I really do appreciate every single view that I get. Also, don't forget to follow me on all of my other social media. I have Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, all at Angels Makeup Mayhem. Do be an angel and click subscribe, then smash that notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. All you angels should leave me a comment because I really love hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching, angels, and I'll see you in the next video. Surprise, Lori! This video is for you. All about you. All for you. I fucking love you. So when this video airs, I will be in Maryland, in my best friend's house. So if she doesn't like it, she will murder me. I upload a new video. All you angels should leave me a comment. Hey Google, please choose a number from 1 to... Cancel.
Sorry, I don't understand.
You fucked that up. There's 2 T's. Why is there no Y? That's just bull crap. Oh, you blowing me, dude. There's 3 T's and no Y. Oh, that would have been such a great idea. Poopy head. She's watching this right now. She will come down those stairs and she will kill me. I'm hiding in the basement. Oh, look at that shit. No, you didn't. Just spread that royal. Oh,